What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to fit your Amazon Firestick screen so it's nice and flush with the edge of your TV screen. I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust it and how to save it so it doesn't happen again. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video so you catch everything and understand exactly how to do it, so you'll never have to have this problem again with your Firestick, Fire TV, Fire Cube, or any other Amazon Fire device. And let's get right into the video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, turn on them post notifications, and smash that like button. It really helps us out. Now, if you notice on my screen here, you can see if I go all the way to the left, you see the magnifying glass, right? And if I go back to the home screen, you can see that the magnifying glass is a little cut off at the edge of the screen. And, if you see on the right-hand side, it's a little bit cut off. Now, you might not notice this. In some apps, when you look at the edges, you can notice it a lot more, especially when you're watching movie streams and TV shows and going in like Disney Plus or Hulu or anything like that. Now, you're definitely going to notice it because it's cutting out a lot of your screen depending on how much your settings are offset. So to fix this, you're going to come all the way up to the top, scroll all the way over to settings. You're going to come down and go to display and sounds. You're going to click on that and come down one and click on display. And once you're at display, now leave video resolution to auto, but come down to calibrate display and click on that. And you can see here it says adjust your display for the best full screen experience on your TV. You can press up and down on the controller. So if you press up, you notice that the arrows are taking the screen bigger. And if you press down, they're coming to the edge. Now, what you want is you want to see the edge of every single arrow. So the top, the bottom, the left, and the right. You want to put it to where you can see clearly all four edges. Now, I scroll mine. I like to do it, press down all the way it can go, and then press up and work your way until it goes as close as you can get it without actually taking out any of the arrow. Okay, so if you see how it looks now, I got the arrows as close as the edge of the TV screen as I can get. And once you've done that, you make sure none of the edges are cut off, right? You're going to go ahead and click accept. And you can see it says 4% scale. Now, if you're putting this, it could be different if you're putting it on a different TV. So say you usually use your Fire Stick in your living room and then you're moving it to your kids' room and a different TV. You might have to calibrate this differently for every different TV that you hook it up to, right? So again, real quick, we're just going to come home and I'm going to show you how to get here again. You can go all the way to the top, scroll all the way to the left to settings. You come back down to display and sounds. You're going to click on that, come down to display, click on it again, and then go to calibrate display. And then once you're done, guys, again, click accept. And there you go. That's all you got to do. It's real simple. If you enjoyed this Firestick tutorial and it helped you out, be sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn on them post notifications, and they'll tell you every time I come out with a new video. We have all types of Firestick tutorials, tips and tricks, brand new apps coming out, all types of reviews and stuff. So make sure to subscribe. Also, real quick, if you guys don't have a VPN, make sure to get one. I got a link in the description below for a crazy deal going on right now. It's for a VPN called IP Vanish. It looks like this here. IP Vanish is a great VPN. Check out the link. It's going to help you, tell you exactly what you got to do. And if you don't want to pay for a VPN, you can get a free one. Just always stay protected, guys, especially on your Firestick. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.